generous introduction. Consul General Sang, Councilor Joy, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, Happy Chinese New Year! Yes, as Eva introduced, I'm not really a professional musician, but I like to play music with various kinds of people, and for the last few years, we have tried to play with different people. The last 2 years, I've actually started to play with some blind musicians, and they're good. I mean, they cannot see, but they play better. No? And then we actually have played with more than 10 of them, and then 8 of them can be on stage already. We have done that the last few months. No? So last year, I brought 1, 2, today, I brought 2. These are the best looking this time blind troubadours. No? For those of you who are interested, we're actually also in YouTube. And in the last 2 years, we are very fortunate that we have been able to get very good response. We have had more than 14 million views, and we have 750,000 followers. No? So please follow us in YouTube. For now, we will be playing 2 Chinese songs. No? And when we were accepting the proposal to play here, I told myself that it will be difficult because more than half of the audience will be non-Chinese. So we better choose Chinese songs that are familiar. So I went to the computer, I asked Dr. Google, what are the most popular Chinese songs in the world? And what are the most popular songs in the Philippines? You might already know it. The top 2 was Tian Mimi, and The Moon Represents My Heart. No? Tian Mimi 跟这个月亮代表我的心. So those are the 2 songs that we will be playing today. I hope you enjoy. And then again, Happy Chinese New Year. We will be doing our best. Hopefully next year, we will bring 6 or 8 blind musicians to play for you. But for now, please enjoy with me, Christian and Christopher. So our first song will be Tian Mimi. Okay, please enjoy.
sila na chat ako.
Before we go for our next song, this is a very special one. I had Christopher learn how to sing it in Chinese. So, I hope you enjoy it. Okay.
Christian and Christopher. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to